Hello guys, this is Jenna Chikadora and welcome again to my channel. And today's video, I will show you how to do this pattern using a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is a side stripe pattern. So in order to do this cube, to do this pattern, you need to know how to use the algorithm. If you don't know how to use algorithm, meron akong tutorial about that. Check it out, all my videos about Rubik's Cube, and you will learn about Rubik's. So let's start how to solve side stripe pattern. So side stripe pattern, meron ako ditong hindi naka-scramble na cube. So let's do side stripe pattern. So and the algorithm that we are going to use are if R L2 B DI R D2 L DI B R2 L F U and the last F. So let's start. F U F R L2 B DI R D2 L DI B R2 L F U F. So here you go guys. Let's make a stripe pattern. Very nice color. So how to undo this pattern? Simply we need to use the same algorithm. If U F R L2 B DI R D2 L DI B R2 L F U F. So F U F R L2 B DI R D2 L DI B R2 L F U F. So here you go. It's back to the solve the Rubik's Cube. So, thank you for watching guys. Hope it helps. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung may mga bago akong videos na aking i-upload. So, once again, thank you and God bless.